Good morning students. Today I am revising a chapter first, computer hardware and software. So computer is a combination of major two things. Number first is the hardware and second one is the software. So all the machinery part of the computer is called the hardware, which we can see and touch. And there are many examples of the hardware such as the input devices, output devices, processing devices, storage devices. Examples: keyboards, monitor, printer, scanner, mouse, microphone, etc. And here I am describing the input devices. So those devices which is used to feed the data into the computer are called input devices. And the example of these devices are the mouse, keyboard, scanner, light pen, OMR, MICR, etc. So number first is a keyboard. Keyboard is used to input the text data into the computer. And second is a mouse. So mouse is called an optical device which is used to selecting icons from the screen. Here is the third category, that is the scanner. So the scanner work is the opposite of a printer. The data which is printed on the paper, this will scan and feed into the computer in the form of text or image. There are two category of scanner. Number first is a flatbed scanner and second one the handheld scanner. Flatbed scanner has a flat of glass on which we place the item to be scanned, and this is mostly used for the A4 sizes, papers, etc. Second is a handheld scanner which is used to small size text and images. So this scanner is dragged over the object that is required to be scanned. Next device is the MICR. The full form of MICR is a magnetic ink character reader, which is input device to identify and read the magnetized characters printers on a check and bank draft, etc. So this device is used in a bank. Third one is a digital camera. So digital camera is also an input device. This will read our data, reads a image and stored into the card, and from which we can take the image from the card stored into the computer. Touch screen monitor is also comes in the category of input devices because we can selecting the object with the help of finger from the screen. Wavecam is one of the example of input device similar to a digital camera. Next category is the output device. So output devices are the devices which is used to print the data or display our data on the screen. Number first output device is here is a printer. So printer is used to take the printout which is stored in the computer in the form of soft copy. Here these are the three types of printer. Number first is the dot matrix printer, second is inkjet, and third one is the laser printer. So the dot matrix printers is less expensive and the quality is not better as compared to an inkjet printer, and the speed of these printers is measured in the CPS, that is the characters per second. Second is the inkjet printer. So in this the cartridge will be used and that there will be a ink will be used, and the speed of this printer is fast as compared to a dot matrix printer, and the quality was also better. And the inkjet printer comes in the market both black and the colored. Third category, that is the highest and best quality printer, is the laser printer which works on the photocopy technology machine, and the speed of this printer is pages per minute. Now here you can see the diagram of, so this is the number first, this is the dot matrix printer. This is mostly used in the government offices and medical stores, billing वगैरह and so on. Second category, this is the inkjet printer. This is mostly used for photo printing and text material, A4 size printing, etc. And this is the third category. This is the laser printer. that provide the speed in the per pages and quality is better than the inkjet and DMP printer. Second category of output device is the plotter. So plotter is output device that used to make the large paper drawing like maps and many engineering drawings. There are the three category of the plotter. Number first is a drum plotter. Drum plotter is used to produce the graphs on the paper, whereas the flat wet plotter is used to design the cars, ships, airplanes, buildings, etc. Third category is the inkjet printer is used to design the banners, billboards, etc. Now you can see the diagram. So first one is a drum plotter, and here this is the flatbed plotter, and this is the third category of inkjet printer, inkjet plotter. Next output device is a LCD projector. So LCD projector is used to display the pictures, videos and data on a large screen. So it is used widely to give a presentation about the product, companies, etc. And now here this is the basic structure of a computer system. So in the central device, that is called the CPU, this is divided into two units. One is the CU and second one is the ALU. Memory is also connected with the CPU. CPU stands for the central processing unit. So the data will be input from the input devices. This will first store into the computer memory. Then the work of CPU will be start. So CPU is work in here just like a controller. This will give the data to ALU. So ALU is used to perform only the arithmetic and logical operations by the computers, and finally this will return the result to CU. Then again the work of CU will be start. So this will store the result in the memory and send a one copy to output device. And here the last one, this is the output device, and below of that one, if we want to store the data permanently, then we require the storage devices for that. So you can see the definition. ALU is a arithmetic logical unit, perform the task of arithmetic calculations and logical operations, whereas CU control units control all the operations of the computer, and memory unit is used to receive, hold and deliver the data as per the instructions from the control unit.